Look, now I know flooring can be boring, so we're going to try and make this not one of those usual painful corporate videos.
Yep, we're here to tell you about Manchester contract flooring, and we're going to do it under 60 seconds. So there's no way to make flooring sound
fun, sexy, or even that interesting. So we're not going to pretend. Whether you're a big department store or your local boozer, you need quality, price sensitive and well fitted flooring.
So why Manchester flooring?
We have the best fitters
Of over 50 years combined experience.
and we work our behinds off to meet schedules.
You only need to look at our list of clients to know that we are as good as we say we are. So for your next flooring challenge, you know where to come.
Right about now, you should see some contact information.